In a few moments, we will see the new function. We will see we can put the quick snap or temporary photo on Instagram, so you can send snapshots to friends or a group of people, no matter if it is a selected snapshot of people or just best friends. For this, we'll go to Instagram and to our messages. Here we look at the notes section, and we can see this function there half hidden on the left side. What we will do is drag it to the right to open it. Here we can choose whether to send our quick snap to our close friends or to a certain group only. In my case, I will choose the group of friends so you can see how it works, but basically we choose the ones we want, and that's it. After this, we simply prepare the photo and press the same button to take it. After it is taken, it will be stored in the lower left corner.